sip on it, take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want.
Hey y'all, what's up? Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today is a Amazon video. I am going to share with you guys a couple things that I have gotten from Amazon in the past few weeks that I've been loving. I want to start doing these videos maybe like monthly or weekly. I'm always getting stuff from Amazon. Let's jump into this Amazon. What are we gonna call this? I used to have a name for them. These hauls that I used to do for Amazon, it was score or out the door. That's what I used to call them, score or out the door. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys what I have and let you guys know if it's a score. If it's a score, I'm gonna keep it and you'll see more of it on the channel. If it's an out the door, then bye-bye, it's going back. And I love Amazon because returns are so easy with them. So yeah. So starting off with this dress, this is the dress that went viral over the summertime. This is the Skims dupe that is available on Amazon. It's a slinky, just spaghetti straps, slinky material dress. It's not cotton, it's like that slinky material. And yeah, I love this dress. I've been having this dress since the summertime. Still love it. I stained it up. It's got like oil and grease stains on it because I do my hair in this dress. It's really like a house dress for me. I've never actually worn it out, but it's so comfortable to wear around the house. And of course, Bae loves to see me rocking this dress around the house. One of my all-time favorites. I'm gonna double back and get one in black and a new one in brown. These earrings are from Amazon. These are not a set, they just came alone. I purchased them alone. So these earrings are from Amazon. I love this type of jewelry. This is Indian inspired jewelry. It's called Bodha, B-O-D-H-A type of jewelry, and it's my favorite type of jewelry. I always buy this type. This necklace does come with a set of earrings. I'm not wearing them right now, but it's the same Bodha type of jewelry. Love this type of jewelry. So I have a bunch of this in my Amazon storefront, so you can always go over there and check it out, and I'll have links to everything down in the description box and in the comments as well. These nails are also from Amazon. Press-on nails. This purple pair and this black. It does have this like leopard print black nail that I really did not like. I really just like the all black and the black outline. I thought these black outline were really pretty. And if you guys want press-on nail tutorials, this is all I wear now. If you guys want press-on nail tutorials, that's on my Instagram. And I post them here as well on my shorts. So I also got, these are like very small. Okay, the post is not coming off.
Wow.
I'm like, how do you get the earring? Okay, the post isn't coming off of this one. Don't get this one, y'all.
That's weird.
I don't know what's going on with these earrings, but the post won't come off. So I'll be sending this one back. Don't buy this one. Very cute little package. These are cute. Definitely like this. Cute. Cute. Okay, that's weird. The earring back, you kind of have to like straighten it out yourself. That's weird. Do we like this? It's hard for me to see because I'm looking. Let me look in the mirror. Oh yeah, these are cute. Very cute. Definitely love these. Very cute. Love it. cute. Okay. Cute little box. Oh yeah, these are cute. Definitely love these. These are super cute. So subtle small hoops compared to what I usually wear. These are definitely subtle and small, but they're still giving. So I'm gonna move closer. We have a handbag. This is my first time ever purchasing a JW Pie, I think it's pronounced P-I, I'm not sure, but it's my first time purchasing one, so I'm very excited. Ooh, y'all, look how pretty it is. It feels so soft. It feels like lambskin leather, you guys. It feels so soft. And it smells good. It smells like leather almost. I love it. Look at it. It feels amazing. I got it in white, obviously. Let's see how it opens. Okay, it's just got like a magnetic open. No clasp. Oh no, it does have like the buttons, but you can't see them. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, and it comes with a strap. It's got a zipper closure on the inside. It's got a zipper on the inside. Oh wow. And it's also got a card holder on this side. On the tightest strap, so it's definitely a crossbody, or yeah, probably definitely a crossbody. How cute. And I usually hate leather straps, you guys. I prefer a chain strap, so I may go back and look and see if they have a chain strap. But how cute. Let's see if we could just ooh, I love it. I love it like this. I'm gonna figure out how to do it like this because I definitely prefer a top handle. How cute. And I really needed a white bag. I definitely needed a white bag. I also got a pair of shoes, so I'm hoping that these match the bag. Obviously also from Amazon. Cute, right? So I was like, ooh, this is a moment, right?
Oh girl, yes!
And I love that the heel on this is like more reasonable and hopefully more comfortable. Gosh, cute. Love. Perfect for spring. Literally perfect for spring. I love it. Whoops, let me not step too close. Before I tried the dresses on, I did want to show you guys the shapewear because I kind of want to put the shapewear on underneath this because this is kind of showing everything, and that's why I wore this, because I was like, the shapewear will really show what it can do underneath this. So this one is from Feeling Girl, and this is the shorts one. I don't want the shorts one. This is the thong one. This one has the boning. Okay, so this has the tummy control and the boning. It also has the butt accentuator part. Now this thing is so teeny tiny. I'm like, do you see how small this is?
That's suspicious.
This is teeny tiny, but you know, this stuff kind of stretches, so. Woo. Ooh, Lord. This thing is so small. Oh, gosh. I probably should have got the medium, but I was like, let me get the small. Oh, gosh. Oh. Stop laughing at me. All right, we getting somewhere. Okay. Oh. I mean, it definitely, ooh, yeah. It definitely, ooh. Can I talk? Woo! Definitely cinches you in. Definitely pulls your butt up, like for sure. I would say it definitely pulls your butt up, and it definitely gives you that extra control on the sides here. Like the color. The color is a lot deeper than my skin tone, but I do like the color. And it does have adjustable straps at the back. So at least you have that. Whew. Okay, let's see how it goes with this dress on now. Definitely smooths this out, especially the stomach area. I was concerned about like the butt part, but it doesn't look strange. I was definitely concerned that the butt part would look strange, but it actually looks more supported. It actually looks rounder and more lifted. Now, some women were saying that it makes them look like they don't need a bra. To me, this flattens my chest out. I feel like my chest looks more flattened out in this than if I had a bra on, personally. I don't like necessarily how my chest looks. I would probably put a bra on because I feel like it makes me look flattened out. But I love how it makes my stomach look. I love how smooth the legs and how, you know, the butt is lifted. So I love this. This is a go for me. But I am gonna try the black one on next. I got the shapewear on. Trying to button this bad boy up. So this is what it looks like. Pull the dress up. This is what it looks like. And that's why I like the ones with the boning, because it really like forces the issue. Oh, this thing got your booty looking like, yes, ma'am.
I did not expect that.
Wow. How? That's not even what my butt looks like. How? That's crazy. This one wins. This one wins for the butt lifter. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. That's wild. Wow. It makes your shape look amazing. Like, it really does. It's giving me hourglass vibes. I like this shapewear, actually. This one is a go. I like this shapewear. All right, so this is the beige shade or the nude shade. I like this shade because it's not super pink. It's like a beige shade, but with like a brown undertone. So I can kind of get with it. I can kind of get with a beige shade like this. So remember, this is the thong version. I feel like this is the torso of this bodysuit is too long for me. Like, I kept having to pull it down, and then it was too low down, and then I pull it up, and then it was bunching. So it was like something off about the torso of this that was just too long for me, which is crazy because I'm tall. I'm 5'7.5", and if the torso is too long for me, like, what are small girls gonna do? Like, this is a size extra small. So I'm trying to understand how someone shorter than me could make this work. I'm confused. So I think for me, this one is a no. So I'm gonna try these tops and these dresses on, and then we'll be done with our haul. Alright guys, so this is a cute little top and skirt combo. The skirt is in a size medium. I wish I had got it in a small because I think it's a little big. And the top is a size small, which I wish I had gotten in a medium because I feel like it was a little squeezing me. But I think it's a really cute combo. It goes great with the bag and the shoes that I got. Love the quality on this. Highly recommend these two pieces. This next look is a cute little corset top, same skirt, same accessories. The corset top is cute, but I'm not crazy about the ties. I don't know why I thought that was going to be cuter in my mind than it actually ended up being. But if you like this type of a top, it's cool, but you do have to tie the ties yourself. This little number right here was everything. I love this dress. It doesn't look cheap to me. It looks like it's a cute quality piece. It fits well and it's not too short. I hate when dresses like this are so short that you don't even know where you're gonna wear it to. But this is really cute and I feel like I could wear it to several different places. This one also is not too mini. It's that good length that's like a mini but not inappropriate mini. It fits great and the quality was definitely there. Highly recommend this piece and it comes in several colors. Thank you guys so much for watching this haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Share this video, share it with a friend, share it with an Amazon lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.